Listen.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be watching NCT Wish Songbird performance video. Actually, I heard Songbird because I had my playlist on shuffle the other day, and I was like, oh my gosh, I realized that I haven't really checked out like some of their older music performance videos or like content from that with you guys, because I did know about some NCT Wish songs before I started my channel, and this was one of the songs that I had already knew. So I thought, why not just watch the performance video, because I've never seen this. So let's get into it.
Feels good. Wait a moment. 흥얼거리는 멜로디. 가벼워진 채 going down, going down. 맑게 부리는 불. 저러다친 문.
Come on. Oh, Jay, he looks so cute. Nice. Ooh, Xion, he always. I think this might be my favorite Sakura and Riku combo. Ooh. Hey. I love that. That's cute. Hey. Hey. Ooh. Ooh. I got goosebumps right now. Oof. Oof. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Hey. Ow. Ooh, I need to see if they have a recording behind for this. Ooh. Nice. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Oof. Ooh. Y'all, do y'all ever like put your playlist on shuffle and then you hear a song that you haven't listened to in a long time and you're like, dang, that song is good. That's how I feel with this. That's what happened to me the other day. I just had my playlist on shuffle and this song came on and I was like, dang, this song is good. Like, I already knew that it was good, but it's like listening to it again, it's like, wow. Yeah, Songbird, top tier. I love Songbird so much. All right, y'all. That is all for me. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.